How to sign out from other devices on Home Depot. Signing out from other devices on Home Depot's website ensures the security of your account. So follow these steps to sign out from the other devices. Open your web browser and go to the Home Depot website. Click on the sign in option and enter your credentials. After signing in, click on the account settings option. Look for an option related to security settings or signed in devices. This may be labeled as security settings or signed in devices or something similar. Home Depot will display a list of devices where your account is currently signed in. Review the list to identify any unauthorized or unrecognized devices. Next to each listed device, there should be an option to sign out remotely or end the session. Click on this option from each device you want to sign out from. Home Depot may ask you to confirm the sign out action for each device. Confirm the sign out to proceed. After confirming, Home Depot will log out your account from the selected devices. You may also receive a confirmation message or notification indicating the successful sign out. By following these steps, you can easily sign out from other devices on Home Depot's website, ensuring the security of your account. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.